Good morning, students. Today our topic started our first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. In this knowing our number, so simply introduce in exercise 1, our previous class, what we are studied in our previous class. So already you know greater than, what is greater than, less than, ascending and descending order. Greater than means, so you have to take two numbers. For example, you have to take 5 and 7. So 7 is bigger, that is 7 is bigger. So 5 is less than 7. You have to take 10 and 6. 10 is greater than 6. This is the symbol of greater than. This is the symbol of less than. Simply have to understand. So which side is big number? That side is open. Which number is big? That side is open. This is the less than symbol. This is the greater than. Next, ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means how to write small number to big number. Descending means big number to small, decrease. Okay, that is a descending order. Based on this, we are going for exercise 1. So in this exercise 1, we have first problem. So arrange the, we have to pick up, write the smallest number and greatest number. We have to write the smallest number and greatest number. On that, so observe here, 15,370. Observe in this. This is the smallest number. This is the smallest number. Next, greatest number. Here, 15,892. This is the greatest number. Understood? So, every problem he is giving some numbers. We have to pick up which is the small number and which is the big number. In this situation, 15,300 is the smallest number and 15,892 is the biggest number. So again we have again three problems, how to solve it. Next, second bit. In this second, what we have to do? Write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in ascending order. So first, in this ascending means small to big. Already you know ascending means small to big. In this, which is small? First, 3,375. Second, 1,475. Third one, 4,715. Next, 15,951. This is the ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. So next, descending means big number to small number. Big number to small number. This is for ascending. Next, descending for homework. How to solve it. Next, third problem. Third or fourth. Put appropriate symbol less than or greater than. Put appropriate symbol less than or greater than. First, observe here. 3,854, 15,200. This is a 15,200. This is 3,854. So in this, which is big? In this, which is big? So 15,200 is the big. That is that means 3,854 is less than 15,200. 15,200. 15,200. Next, observe this. Here 4,895, 4,864. In this which? So 4,895. This is a big number. So hard to say open. That means this side is open. Which number is big? That side is open. That is a greater than symbol. This is a greater than symbol. Okay? Right. Next, write the numbers in word. That is a fifth problem. Just 1, 2, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is 72,642. 72,600. 642. Simple. All problems in fifth bit. Just you have to write in words. Write in words. Next we are going for sixth problem. Write the numbers in figures. Already is given figures, you have to write in words. Same like that only. He is given figures. How to write it? He is given in words. How to write in figures? So 40,270. 40,000. Thousands. 200. 270. 70. So ones, tens, 100 after comma. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 40,270. 40,270. Next to 60,000. Simple. 60,000. 60,000. Okay, understood? Just in fifth problem, he is given in figures. You have to write in words. In sixth problem, he is given in words. You have to write in figures. Okay? Next problem, we have to. Seventh problem. Form 4-digit number with the digits 4, 0, 3 and 7 and find which is greatest and which is smallest. He is given 4-digit number. What are the 4? One is 4, 3, 4, 0, 3 and 7. So, first we have to find greatest number. Greatest number. So, greatest number you have to write any digits. If any numbers is given. First you have to write in this which is the biggest number. 7 is the biggest number. 7 after 4. 4 after 3. After 0. This is the greatest number with 4 digits, which is given 7,430. That is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. Next, smallest number we have to find. Smallest number. Smallest number means we have to write small to big. We have to write small to big. But here we are zero is there. But we won't start with 0. We won't start with 0. So after 0 we have another number, that is 3. 3 after you have to write 0. 0 after 4. 4 after 7. That is 3047. If you write like this, and for example, first you have to write 3047. So this is 347 only. We won't consider in the right in left side. 0 is in left side. So we are not considered. That is equal to 345. This is only 3-digit number. This is only 3-digit number. But we have to write 4-digit number. That's why this is the smallest 4-digit number. This is the biggest or greatest 4-digit number. Next, again you have to write smallest 4-digit number. Smallest means simply you have to write first 1. First write 1. 1 after how many digits he is asking? 4 digits. In this 4 digits, 1 is over. 1 is over. Remaining you have 3. That is equal to 3. That is the 1000. So whatever number he asking, if it that many digits, smallest 4 digit or 5 digit or 6 digit. If you want 5-digit number, smallest 5 digit number, smallest 5 digit number. Simple, write first 1. 1 after, write keep 4 zeros. It is the smallest 5 digit number. This is the smallest 5 digit number. 6 also, first write 1, then after keep 5 zeros. So, but in this problem, you are asking only smallest 4 digit number. That way, first you have to write 1. After 1, 3 zeros. Because 4 digit he is asking. 1 is 1 digit, then after write 3 zeros. That is the smallest 4 digit number. Next, greatest 4 digit number. Whatever number he asked, simply write that many 9s only. 9909 is the greatest 4 digit number. Understood? So this is for 7th problem. This is for 8th problem. Okay? Right. Thank you. Next, rounding the number. Next topic is rounding the number. Before rounding the number, we have 0 to 9 numbers. We have 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In these 0 to 9 numbers, we are divided weak numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the weak numbers. Strong numbers means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So based on this, we have to rounding the numbers nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest to 1000. How we have to do? Simple. For example, you have to take 64. 64. Rounding to the nearest 10. Rounding to the nearest 10. 64 means nearest 10 he is asking. That is we are observing on tens digits. So going for ones. In ones digit. In ones digits. 64. 4 is there. 4 is weak number. 4 is the weak number. Simply you have to write 60. Understood? So tens means you have to observe in ones place. Ones place is 4. Ones place is 4. That's my 4. 4 is a weak number. That way simply you have to write 60. Okay. For example, you have to take 58. 58. So 58 means observe in 8 ones place. 8. 8 is a strong number. Simply you have to write again 50 after getting 60. You have to write next number. I have to take 89. 89. You have to take 9. 9 is a weak number or strong number? 9 is a strong number. 9 is a strong number. That's why simply you have to write 90. 8 after next number. 5 after next number. If one's place number is strong number, then you have to go for next number. 58 after you have to go for 60. If I take 432, what right nearest 10 he asking. Nearest to 10 he asking. So we are ones, tens, 100. We are not thinking about 100. We are thinking about tens place only. Simply write 4 as it is. 32. 30 we have to observe on ones place. Ones place is 2. 2 is a weak number. 2 is a weak number. Simply have to write 430. So next. For example, you have to take 748. Nearest to 10 he is asking. Nearest to 10 he is asking. That is equal to 700 and as you have to write 7. 48 you have to observe in 8 place. 8 place. 8 is a strong number. Simply have to write 50. That is equal to 750. When nearest to rounding. Understood? Next. Rounding to the nearest 100. Rounding to the nearest 100. For example, you have to take 593. 593. What we have to rounding to the nearest 100. So now we have to take place on 100 place, 590. So observe in 10th place, observe you are in before, 100 before 10th place. 10th place you have 9. 9 is a strong or weak? 9 is a strong number. That is equal to 600. That is equal to 600. Simple. Already did in 10th place. Same like that only 100 place. For example, 950. 950. Nearest to 100. Nearest to 100. 950. So 100 means you have to observe in 10th place. 10th place. 10th place is 5. 5 is strong number or weak number? 5 is a strong number. That is equal to 1000. 9 after getting 1000. Once again listen. In 0 to 9 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 5 are weak numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 5 are strong numbers. So whenever in weak number is coming, you have to go that number only. Whenever getting strong number, we go for next number. Next another example, 438. 438. So rounding to the nearest 100. Rounding to the nearest 100. 100 means you are observing 10th place or observing 10th place. So 3 is a weak number. 3 is a weak number. Simply have to write 400 only. That number only have to write. If I take again one number, 528. 528 means simply are getting only 500. Because 2 is a weak number. 2 is a weak number. Simply have to write. Next, again, we have to take another one number that is equal to 102. 102. So, in 10th place is 0. So, simply have to write 100. That is the rounding to the nearest 100. Whenever you have to rounding to the nearest 100, we have to take place on 10th place only. 10th place only. Okay? Right. Next, rounding to the nearest 1000. Nearest to 1000. Simply have to take 5642. One number. So nearest 1000. 1000 means you have to go through 100 place. 100 place. So 5642. Here in 100 place you have 6. In 100 place you have 6. 6 is a strong number. That's why you have to write 6000. 6000. Very simple. If I take another one number, 762. Nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000. 1000 means you have to concentrate on 100. Concentration on 100. So 100 plus 7. 7 is a strong number. That way simply have to write 63,000. 63,000. Understood? Next, I will take another one example. 12,042. 12,042. Rounding the number to the nearest 1000. Rounding the number to nearest 1000. That is equal to 12,000. So in 100 place 0. 0 is a weak number. That way you have to write simply 12,000 only. 12,000. So if here strong number, you have to go this next number. If here weak number, you have to go through this number only. Here also 6 is a strong. That's why 5 after 6 we are going 6,000. Here 7 is a strong number. That's why 2 after next 3. That is equal to, I am writing 63,000. 12,042. So 100 place is 0. 0 is a weak number. That's why I am going through 12,000. Okay? Understood? Next, another one example. 70,639. Observe here. 70,600. In 100 place 6 is there. 6 is a weak or strong? 6 is a strong number. 6 is a strong number. So 1 after 0 after next number 1. That is equal to 71,000. 71,000. Okay? Understand? Have any doubt? Next. We are going for exercise 1.2 in page number 5. So on that first problem, rounding to the nearest tens, nearest 100 and nearest to 1000. So already you will do this problem. Next we are going for fourth problem. Write the numbers in the short form. Fifth problem, write the expanded form to the numbers. First one is the nearest to 10. Nearest to 10. First problem. Nearest to 10 means 89. 89 nearest 10 means 90. Because 9 is a strong number. So 89 after 8 after next number. 8 after next number 9. That is equal to 90. That is the nearest to 10. Same like that you have to do 100,000. Next we are going for the fourth problem. Write the numbers in short form. So is given expanded form, you have to write in the short form. Simple. 3,407. 3,407. Sorry, not 300, this is a 3,000. 3,407. That means in tens place is not given any number. In tens place is not given any number. That's why I am writing 0. Next, write the expanded form in the numbers. Simple. 4,000. Next, 340 plus 8. So 4 and fifth problem both are vice versa. In fourth problem he is given expanded form, how write in the short form. In fifth problem he is given short form, how to write, you are write in the extended form. This is very easy for, already he did in 5th class also. So this is exercise 1.8. So first problem is nearest 10, rounding the 10. Second problem, rounding the 100. Third problem, rounding the 1000. So already we did some example problems. Next, this is the fourth problem. Write the numbers in the short form. So short is extended form, how to write in the short form. He is given expanded short form, how to write in the expanded form. Okay? Thank you. Understand, sir? Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today our topic started our first chapter, that is knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. In this knowing our number, so simply introduce in exercise 1, our previous class, what we are studied in our previous class. So already you know greater than, what is greater than, less than, ascending and descending order. Greater than means, so you have to take two numbers. For example, you have to take 5 and 7. So 7 is bigger, that is 7 is bigger. So 5 is less than 7. You have to take 10 and 6. 10 is greater than 6. This is the symbol of greater than. This is the symbol of less than. Simply have to understand. So which side is big number? That side is open. Which number is big? That side is open. This is the less than symbol. This is the greater than. Next, ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means how to write small number to big number. Descending means big number to small, decrease. Okay, that is a descending order. Based on this, we are going for exercise